Hi guys, look at this. I got all these products for absolutely free without paying any money. And also, for buying these products, they give me money cashbacks like this. Yes, guys, I'm talking about an application which will definitely gonna be a trending. Through this application, we can buy skincare, hair care, and body care products, and also makeup products from various famous brands like Dot and Key, Hyphen, Chemist at Play, Sunscope, and Foxtail, etc. And all these products are come from the warehouse of the real brand. So these are quality assured real products. Okay, now I will tell about the speciality of this app. There was various kind of offers are available in this app, like buy one get one, buy two get two, 40% off, 50% off, like that. And we know all these are usual. We seen all these offers in other applications also. Here in this application we get points. Okay, one point is equal to 1 rupees, and during the login time we are supposed to apply a referral code. While using my referral code, you will get 100 points, which is equal to 100 rupees, which you can use at the time of your purchase. How many points you will have will not matters while paying the order, because if you have 300 points with you, then you can get flat 300 off. Okay, and one interesting thing is that suppose imagine guys, we ordered a product worth 400 rupees, and we applied offers and all, and we paid 300 rupees. Okay, we paid 300 and the product got delivered at our home, and we will get back the 300 rupees to our account. Yes guys, we will get back the amount that we paid for the product. There is no limit for the usage of the points, and we can use this points which was we got after the product got delivered. We can use these points for the next product purchase. Okay, if suppose we don't want to use it for the next purchase, then we can withdraw these points to our bank account. Yes guys, you heard it right. If we don't want to purchase another product by using these points, then we can withdraw these points to our bank account as a real money. We will get 150 rupees for redeeming 300 points. Okay, the maximum limit for redemption is 1000 rupees and minimum is 300. And guys, sale is right now available in the application, which is buy one get one in cafe, and various other offers are available. So do purchase. The best thing is to buy during the buy one get one sale. So we will get 4 products by paying for one product after deducting all the discounts by clicking on the link that I provided in the description box, or either you can search the name Papapa in the Play Store or App Store and buy the products that you want and apply the points. And once the product is delivered, you will get the points back. Then continue shopping again, and then continue again. Okay guys, that's all about the application. If you have any queries or doubts, let me know in the comment section. You can contact me through the comment section. And that's all. Happy shopping. Have a great day. Take care.